What is up, guys? Woody LS3 coming at you with another vlog. Today we're gonna be going to Project Torque headquarters. We're gonna go pick up my wheels. We're gonna get them installed and we're gonna mount them on the car right there. We're also going to be installing a part. I have collaborated with Corvette Lights and they sent me over some eagle eye tail lights for my car. These are LED tail lights, much needed on this car. That was actually one of the things that I was missing for this car. I do have my side markers. Those are Vette Light side markers. It's a full LED side marker, front and back. This car is pretty much LED'd out, fog light from Vette Light, and then these side markers from Vette Lights also. My corner lights are also from them, so they went ahead and sent me over their tail light. These are the tail lights that I've been wanting for this car for a long time now, and like I said, luckily I teamed up with them. They sent them over. We're gonna get those installed also. So today we're gonna have my full Weld drag pack S71's full polish on, and then my eagle eye LED tail lights thanks to Vette Light. Let's go ahead, slap those on, and show y'all the car with this full set. Alright guys, we're here at Project Torque. Let's go inside and check out my wheels. And here are my wheels, guys. These are the S71's, full polish. We'll go ahead and slap those on. But like I said, guys, Project Torque does have everything, even bead lock. So definitely a store you definitely want to come check out. These are for the trucks in bead lock and non-bead lock. 15s, so you're gonna have your intros. S77s for the truck, Forge Star. So you can't go wrong, guys. Definitely a store to check out. But right now we're gonna get those wheels, get the tires, and then slap them on my car, have the full setup. Alright guys, we're actually going to be taking these wheels to my boy Alex. Pretty slammed here at the shop. Got a customer that bought some full set of wheels. So we're actually going to be taking these wheels over to Alex's shop, which is down the street. Freddie was kind enough to let me borrow his truck so I can take them over there. So let's go ahead and go over there. My boy Alex.
Fucking badass fucking truck.
I know. Project Torque sponsor.
Oh shit.
Hey, like twins, huh? They're like twins? Twins?
Oh yeah.
What is it, the yin yang or what? Yeah, bro, finally made the move.
So these are dailies? And these are...
No. These are... The guys put these on at the shop to try out the tire.
I put these on.
Did you?
Yeah, on Sunday he had me working.
Damn, overtime. Get that OT, Alex?
Yeah, I put this one on.
Okay, so that's my tire. These fools put my tire on a different rim. So now we gotta take that one off, put on this one, and then that's the new one, and then this is the tire.
He didn't say that.
Yeah, now
He's ready to sell everything.
Yeah, I ordered these specifically for me, for these wheels, and so now we gotta take this one off and put this on.
Yeah, let's do it. Hold on, let me go get this
Alright guys, so my boy Alex is gonna help me out, get these tires on my wheels, then we're gonna take it back and then get them on my car, so that way we can have the full set of S71s on my car, so I can be rolling, not mismatching wheels, which I kind of like that look, but I mean, I don't know, I gotta have the full set at least. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we took that wheel off, got the new wheel up here. My boy Alex lubing that one up.
I think that's a size.
Making sure it goes the right way. So let's go ahead and get this tire mounted on. What do you think of the new setup, Alex?
They're fucking sick, bro. I don't even want to touch them.
I was gonna get them ceramic coated.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they'll be good because then you don't have to polish it that often.
Yeah, but man, I can't wait. I gotta do it now. There's a new one, guys. Comes with a sticker. We got one of them done. My boy Alex here knocked it out. Now we're working on the second one. Damn, boy, Alex is quick.
I wish I was the
El llantero Alex.
No. I'm not a tire guy. I just do y'all.
Alex always helps us out with when we need tires on the go. Right, Alex?
Yeah.
Works overtime and everything.
Overtime.
Yeah. All right, guys. We got the second one done. Now we're just checking the pressure, balance them. Damn, guys, they look sick. Can't wait to see them on the car. Alright guys, my boy Alex here finished the balancing on the wheels. Let's go ahead, let's go put them back on the car. I'll bring it to you later, Alex.
Well, I can see it.
Now we can see it, yeah, with the full set. Bam, look at that. They look good outside. Shiny. I hope they stay shiny.
I don't want to touch them, bro.
Hombre, yeah.
Nice stuff.
My boy Alex, appreciate it, bro. Always helping me out.
Anytime.
I'll bring it to you later so you can see it.
I want to see it.
Let's stop, bro.
Alright, bro. Later.
Y'all definitely check out Xclusive. Alright guys, we're done. Thanks to my boy Alex, big shout out to him, always helping me out guys. If y'all need to do any lift, tires, off-road tires, definitely check out my boy Alex, alignments. He gets down, he does my alignments for my personal vehicles. Definitely check him out guys. Right now we're gonna go back to the shop, Project Torque, and get my wheels installed. Alright guys, we got the car inside. We're gonna go ahead and start jacking it up from the front. Remove my old wheel. Charbo's gonna help me out, and then go ahead and get the new wheel on. So let's go ahead and start. Alright guys, we got the wheels on. Damn, that looks good. Look at that. S71s in the front, full polish. S71s in the rear. I finally got the matching set. I just need to clean up the tires. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the whole car. But before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna switch the taillights to the Eagle Eye LEDs from Vette Lights. Like I said, big shout out to Vette Lights for hooking me up with these taillights. I really much appreciate it. I love to work with companies. Guys, if they have awesome quality, I'm running their side markers. I have no issues with them whatsoever. So I knew the taillights, I knew it was a given. I wanted to stick with Vette Lights. I did get them red, guys. I want to have the option of switching it back to the red. I have black covers on them right now, so I'm gonna put the black covers back on because I don't want to leave it with the red tail light. But like I said, it's still gonna shine through. It's a circle LED for the tail lights, so we're gonna be installing those, get those done, and show y'all how they look. Like I said, big shout out to Vette Lights. Appreciate it. Like I said, that's how they lit up right now, guys. This is also from Vette Lights. The side markers, the LED, full LED. And we're going to be switching out those so they're not going to be looking like that anymore. It's going to have a ring all the way around. So let's go ahead and get those installed. Alright guys, here's the box. Contact information. If y'all want to hit him up. He's also on Instagram. And I'm going to have a link to his Instagram and his page on my bio. So definitely check it out, guys. Let's see what else. There go a little keychain. See what's in here. Some sunglasses. There you go, guys. Alright, and I'm sure these are my taillights. Let's go ahead and get these out. Alright guys, these are my new taillights. Look at that. Like I said, I got them factory red. Alright guys, here's the difference. This is my factory one. Obviously I have a lens, a blacked out lens on mine. But this is with the lens off. And you can see, here's the new one. You can see all the LEDs around the tail light on this one. Like I said, it's an awesome quality. Definitely, there's no question about it. This is what I wanted to use from Vette Lights. So let's go ahead and slap these on and get them going. Alright guys, we got the back done right here. Working on this side. But you can see, show you how it looked with the new LED Eagle Eye tail lights. Look at that guys. Definitely much better than stock. All the LEDs are on, none of them are missing. Great quality. Man, like I said, this is the one piece I was missing. Couldn't be happier. Even with them off, looks awesome. Looks way better than stock. Let's go ahead and get this side on. We're gonna put our covers on too, just to match better with the black. These are our covers. I'm gonna clean them up. They're gonna be black. You'll still be able to see. But let's go ahead and finish that side. Right, there you go guys. I got the covers on this side. And you can see the difference. And they still light up the same. There you go. Still looks the same. Damn, I like the black one a whole lot better. But like I said, I wanted that factory color just in case. Paint it. I am going to paint it back with my original color, which my car is red. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and finish. Put the covers on these. Here you go guys, the lights are installed. They look a whole lot better. These side markers, it definitely ties in. It's definitely what I needed. There it is guys, the car's completely done. We're gonna go ahead and wash it. It's already dark out here, but I will give y'all some quick clip of the car with its setup, with the lights. Definitely, if y'all like more videos like this with my car, I think it's coming along awesome. We are still planning to do a blower so we can get some big horsepower out of it. Just the beginning. This is a vision I have in my head for the longest. It's starting to come more and more as a reality. Right now we just need the blower, a fuel system, and we should be pretty good to go. The car's running awesome. Big shout out to Freddie at Project Torque, and then big shout out to Vette Lights for hooking me up with those tail lights. Very much needed. Definitely check out Vette Lights on Instagram and check out Project Torque. I'm gonna leave the link in the description to Vette Lights if y'all want to pick something up for your Corvette. He does every model Corvette. He provides headlights, different tail lights, side markers, everything. So definitely check him out. Like I said, if y'all like videos like this, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.